Good morning, other kids. Welcome to meet me again. Today, I have another lesson to present to all of you. My lesson today is about letter. Before I'm going to start presenting this lesson, I just ask you a question. How many consonants or letters are there in English alphabets? Can you answer my question, everyone? Very good. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. I don't waste the time. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pagna. I am one of English teachers in CIA. As you know already, CIA stands for Cambodia Intellectuals Academy. So today, you will learn that letter. And my next question is, what letter comes after letter V? What letter comes after letter V? The letter comes after letter V is W. It's letter W. And I will show you the W looks like, the shape of the letter W looks like. Yes, I show you, it is uppercase W. It is uppercase W. And next letter, and the same letter, it is a lowercase W. Can you see? It is W, and it is also W. It is uppercase W, normally called big W, and this one generally called small w. So now you can identify or know or recognize the shape of uppercase W and lowercase w. And next, I will ask you, what is the sound of letter W? Do you know, everyone? The sound of letter W is, you can look at directly to my mouth. I will make the sound of letter W. The sound of letter W is W, 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 W. W, W, the sound of W, 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 W. Yes. And I have some words which begin with letter W. The first word you will know. Have you ever seen the wild animal? It's one of the family. It's one of the dog family. But it prefers feeding on the flesh or the meat by hunting other animals who live in the forest. That animal normally lives in the forest. Do you know it? I will show you. This one. It looks like our dog, our pet. And it is the dog family, understand? But it lives in the forest. Can you read Yeah, can you, everyone, do you know the word in English? Yeah, it is wolf, 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 wolf. The word wolf begins with letter W. The next picture, everyone, the next picture or the next word that begins with letter W, you can see, everyone, I will show you like this. Yeah, like this. When inside the house, and the concrete which are built to cover your room, what does it call? Yeah, what is it called? So like this, it is a wall. Yeah, it is a wall. Yeah, but this wall is made by stones. Yeah, it is called concrete wall. One more word or picture that begins with letter W. It is not the object. It is a marine animal which lives in the sea. Yeah, in the sea, and its size is very big, and that animal is very gentle. Did you know, everyone? Like this, you can see. Yeah, it is. What animal is it? Can you answer? Yeah, I will tell you. It is a whale. It is a whale. Yeah. Yeah, well, or we can pronounce well. Yeah, well, yeah, it is well. And the last word, or the last word that begins with letter W, it is object that you wear on your wrist, yeah, to see the time. Yeah, to see the time. And what object is it, everyone? Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, it is a watch. It is a watch. It is a watch. Yeah, watch. Now go over W, the sound wolf, W, sound wall, W, the sound well, watch. So I hope all of you can read, these 4 words, and then I will write the word that matches to the picture. Yeah. The word verb that begins with the W and O, L, F. Wolf, yeah. Wall. The word wall also begins with W, A, the next letter, then L, the last word, the last letter is L. Well, also the word well begins with letter W. The second letter is L, is H, is H. Next, A, L, the last letter is E. This letter E. Watch, the word watch is the word watch also begins with letter W, the next letter A, T, C, H. Watch. Yeah. So now let's read all together. Wolf, wolf, wall, wall, well, well, watch, watch, watch. After that, I will bring up you to know how to write or trace the letter W. It is not very difficult to write letter W. Can look, everyone look at the right side of the board. I will trace, when we start writing the uppercase W, we just start from the top, make the line down to the right. Yeah. Next, we start making the line up to the right. Then we make another line here. Then we make another line down to the right. Now, the last, we make one more line up to the right. Yeah. It is uppercase W. And for the lowercase W, it's the same, but we make it smaller. Yeah, smaller size. Yeah, I will show you. Also make the line from the top down to the right. Then make line up to the right. Next, make another line down to the right. And the last, make one more line up to the right. Yeah, like this. Can you see everyone? The same. Yeah, just is a uppercase and this one is a lowercase. Now I give you 5 seconds to practice writing, to tracing, not start writing right now, just tracing the letter W. I count it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Now we start writing. Yeah. We start writing uppercase W like this. Start from the top. Yeah. go down, and then continue writing up to the right. Next, write from the top down to the right, and the last, we continue writing up to the right, like this. Yeah, you can see. So we follow how many steps do we follow? Do we write letter W, uppercase W? 4, understand? Is the first, second, third, and fourth. So we write 4 ways, 4 times. Yeah, we make the line 4 times. Yeah, and for lowercase w, the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's on time for you to practice writing both uppercase and lowercase w. I give you 10 seconds.